Have you ever seen this clip of Drake playing some casino game on his laptop before spotting some spy drone and throwing a slide off his beautiful Sydney apartment building? If not, that's kind of surprising. Although it's kind of hard to track across all platforms, after going viral and getting picked up by entertainment news, I bet it's reached over 1 billion views. And why wouldn't it if it were real, right? I mean, the guy's drinking alone and playing slots on his computer and gets his privacy invaded. But obviously, anyone with a nose for marketing can tell that this is not a real setup. So your next logical question would probably be, why Drake and why Stake? It helps to know that Stake operates out of and has a gambling license out of Curacao, a beautiful country just north of Venezuela, known for its wonderful tumba and, of course, its 30,000 euro gaming license. Stake's multi-billion-dollar operation is headquartered in this beautiful suburban neighborhood in Curacao. And despite how illegal it is, I would bet that a significant chunk of their revenue comes from the United States. Obviously, Stake can't just blindly accept US players, and they have to make an attempt to stop them. It didn't take American youth very long to figure out how they can donate their money to this operation. Unfortunately for Stake, even though they raked in $2.6 billion in 2022, because it's federally illegal in the United States, they can't spend a dime on advertising, which is why for years they've been paying big streamers in safe haven countries to do this on their behalf. Now, tens of thousands of people watch these streams in the first place, but then they get clipped and make their way to TikTok, where millions of eyeballs are now watching this content. Now, I don't have anything against Stake or this genius guerrilla marketing strategy, because Stake accidentally pioneered this brand new way of marketing that can be used for any brand or product. So let's go back to Drake and why Stake used him to launch this campaign. Obviously, Stake can't spend any money on Facebook or TikTok that reaches US customers, so they had to kick things off by sending the video to large pages to kind of get the ball rolling. Now, they didn't even have to pay for this or explain themselves because the clip does all the talking. So if you don't have a Drake on standby ready to promote your brand with a hilarious viral video, you can still accomplish the same effect using this brand new term called content rewards. Essentially what this is a brand saying to creators, go ahead and make a TikTok that features our product, and for every so many views you get, we'll pay you this amount. So naturally, creators want to try to earn the most, so they're going to optimize for virality in their videos. Now, if you've ever heard of TikTok Shop, it's pretty much the exact same thing. Creators make videos showing off a product and get commissions for how many they sell. There's already a huge community of creators that try to circle up and focus on how they can optimize their videos for organic growth. But TikTok Shop is limited to just physical goods. Startups and new apps are having huge success with content rewards because they're not restricted to just using the TikTok Shop platform. Here's an excellent example of content rewards at scale. This video has millions of views and it's discreetly selling this AI app. Say this video got just 1 million views. That could have translated into 1,000 new paying customers at $10 a month. Using creator rewards, they might have paid a creator just 1,000 or two to post this and get it viral. And only up until now, all these deals have been done exclusively under the table, which has restricted the amount of creators that have been able to get in on this and the amount of brands that can make use of it. So if this is so profitable and it hasn't really been accessible for everybody for so long, what changed? I've been in deep niche startup communities on Discord for a while, and I am no stranger to how much brands love paying for this. So in collaboration with some participating brands and creators, I set out to make an automated platform for this. With Viewbounty, brands can join in just minutes and create a bounty on receiving a certain amount of TikTok views. Viewbounty integrates directly with TikTok to pull live video data so that we can manage payouts on your behalf and ensure authentic engagement. Now, unlike Drake and Stake, I did not make this as some, secret ad for Viewbounty. You don't have to use Viewbounty. All I'm trying to sell you on is this content rewards system. If you prefer, I encourage you to go out and find creator communities where you can find and connect with creators who understand your brand. But if you're looking to jump into this as soon as today, I highly recommend checking out Viewbounty. It takes care of all of the heavy lifting on your behalf and allows you to get in front of thousands of creators who understand virality and how to promote your brand. Even if you just want to mess around with it, create a free account at viewbounty.app.